Hello students, welcome to the class of English. Today we are going to do unit number 3, that is weighing an elephant. So from the very first title you may understand that this unit is all about elephant and how to weigh this animal. So first of all, here is a picture of an elephant. You can easily see and imagine how huge and heavy this animal is. So first of all we will do the reading. Long ago an elephant wandered into a village. The villagers had never seen an elephant before. Wandered means moving aimlessly. So when this animal was moving into a village, the villagers had never seen this elephant before. They haven't seen this kind of animal before, so this was a new animal for them. This was a huge animal for them. They could not guess its weight. So they had no idea how heavy this elephant could be. So they decided to weigh it. Then there was a problem. They had not a scale that would be big enough to weigh this animal. So they were not having any scale to weigh the elephant. They could not decide what to do. So they were having a problem. They could not decide how they are going to weigh this elephant. A little girl was watching and listening. So there was a girl who was standing there and she was watching and listening all the comments regarding the weight of this animal. This girl said that I can weigh the elephant. Everyone laughed at her. An old man said, give her a chance. So when she said that I can weigh the elephant, everybody laughed at her because she was very small and nobody can imagine a small girl weighing the animal. Then the old man said that we should give her a chance. A little girl gave an idea. There was a boat beside the village. Put the elephant in the boat, said the girl. Then the girl suggested that we should put the elephant into a boat. Then what happened? When the elephant was in the boat, the girl put a big white mark just where the water was at the side of the boat. So when the elephant was in the boat, they put a white mark where the water was at the side of the boat. Then the elephant was taken out and the boat was filled with stones. What happened? They filled the stones into the boat. Then they started weighing the stones one by one on the scale. The people weighed the stones one by one. The old man wrote the weights. Now add the weight of all the stones and you will know weight of the elephant, said the girl. The girl suggested that we should weight all the stones and when we will get the answer of all the measurements, that would be exactly the weight of the elephant. So they could easily get the weight of the elephant by weighing the stones. Everyone was amazed at the intelligence of this small girl. They clapped and cheered and they were very happy that they could get easily the weight of an elephant by weighing the stones. So this was the story about the elephant and its weight. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. We will continue the lesson in the next class.